Hi, I'm Darlene. I'm the Director of Customer Success Research at TSIA. This research, from metrics to machine learning, reinventing customer health models, is really going to be a deep dive into a core challenge that is facing every business, especially the subscription-based businesses, which is accurately predicting customer churn. Historically, what we've seen is that the industry has relied on a simple kind of rules-based customer health score. And we've all used them, but they're typically a kind of color-coded or numbered score based on a few manually weighted usage metrics and or subjective opinions from account team members. But the reality is it's no longer enough. These kind of static scores from traditional health models, they often give us this false sense of security. And that can lead to missed churn warnings as well as reactive scrambles to save accounts. The main problem is that we're trying to navigate today's complex multi-touch customer journeys with outdated tools. And the traditional health score is often a simplistic kind of one-dimensional model when we live in a multi-dimensional world. So it can't always account for the nuance of customer behaviors across different product features, different user types, as well as, customers' evolving business needs. If we don't solve the problem for improving these customer health scores, then it's really about a risk of misallocating valuable resources. And so that can blind our teams to where there are true churn risks, as well as creating unreliable forecasts. And those unreliable forecasts can negatively impact revenue. So this affects everyone from the CSM to an account manager who are on the front lines. We're going to solve this problem by providing a roadmap for building a next-generation health score model using machine learning and AI tools. We're going to leverage some research methodologies that we've used before, analyzing our historical industry data to identify specific patterns and signals, but we'll also be conducting interviews with customer success leaders to really understand what the practical limitations are of their current health scores, as well as some of the specific insights that we'll gather to, help make sure that we're able to inform them to make better decisions with their health score models. By participating in each step of the research journey, you will get access to all of the insights, direct deliverables from all of our polls and surveys, as well as just access to all of our research insight reports and all of the frameworks that will follow. We are hoping to accomplish two main things with this research journey. Definitively prove that a traditional health score is insufficient. Second, to provide a concrete and actionable framework for building a better and AI-driven model. This research will give you a competitive edge by showing you how to replace some of your outdated tools with a new model that will truly be predictive as well as effective. You can find this journey and much more by exploring the resources in our TSA portal, as well as being informed about any of the upcoming polls and surveys that we'll be pushing out. Subscribe and follow along if you are a CS leader or a renewals team leader or a revenue operations professional.